Left leg back, belly in. Inhale. Exhale. Again, we stretch the legs, right leg back. Now we curl also the left toes under. Belly in. Inhale, push through the shoulders, through the hands. And as you exhale, lift the left knee off the ground and push the hips back and up. We hold it here. It's a hybrid pose. Half down dog modification, half down dog modification. Both heels are pushing back and down. Feel the stretch for the calf muscles, ankles, hamstrings and glutes. Deep inhale. With each exhale, pushing the chest close to the knees. One more time, inhale. So left knee comes down on the mat. We come back to tabletop pose. Toes tucked under. We extend left leg back. Toes tucked under. Inhale, belly in. And exhale, we lift the right knee off the floor, ready to run. And hips back and up. Right knee remains in the center, don't allow it to splay out. The chest is almost touching the right thigh. With each exhalation, moving closer to the knee. Inhale. Exhale, right knee down on the mat. Tabletop pose and curl the toes. We're gonna bring the back of the hand on the mat. Fingers pointing toward us. Spread all of the 10 fingers. And we want to have the arms straight, shoulders away from the ears, belly in for a couple of moments here to stretch the forearms and wrists. And the shoulders nicely moving out. Ooh, looking good. Yes, now one by one we bring the hands on the mat. Ooh. There we go. And hands in cup shape, fingertips on the mat. For nice and easy cat and cow. Inhale, belly down, look up. Exhale, rounding. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat, chin to the chest. Inhaling. Exhaling. One more time, inhale. Exhale, round. And we come back to neutral tabletop pose. We curl the toes under. Inhale. And exhale, downward facing dog. Few moments, we hold it here. We push both heels back and down. If the heels are touching the ground, lift the toes up. Next inhalation, the right leg goes back and up, three-leg dog. Exhale, you bend the right knee, you open the hips to the right for a scorpion. Inhale, exhale. We square the hips forward, we look between the hands, shift the weight of the body forward and step the right foot between the hands, just close to the right hand. Lowering down the left knee, settling down into low lunge. One by one, we'll place the hands on the thigh. So it can be first the right one, then the left one, fingers towards one another. And we focus first on drawing the belly in, and then we push through the hands, lifting the heart center, look up. Beautiful. Steady breath. Inhale, exhale, we bend the elbows and we allow the chest to come close to the thighs. We extend the arms forward into diagonal. Shoulders are rolling out. We curl the back toes under. We lift the left knee up and we come into this diagonal high lunge. So we're looking for one line between arms, upper body, and back leg. With the next inhalation, arms gonna reach up to the ceiling, the normal high lunge. Exhale and sink a little bit deeper into your high lunge. We focus on that back heel, pushing back and down, having the left leg super straight at the same time. We are not forgetting the lower back is neutral, drawing the belly in. Here we can optionally do Kali Mudra, so interlace the fingers and index fingers only together. Index fingers pulling us up. Right knee still moving forward. Inhale. Exhale, left knee gonna go down on the mat. Into high lunge. Now we still have the belly in. We lift the heart and we allow that index fingers to pull us back while we look up. A little bit more into back bend. Inhale, exhale, release, fingers, hands on the mat. We go all the way back and up to three-legged dog, right leg up. Inhale, exhale, step the right foot down. We switch the side, left leg goes back and up, inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, scorpion dog, bending the knee, open the hips, shoulders parallel. Inhale, heel. Exhaling, we square the hips, gaze forward. We step the left foot close to the left hand. Right knee down for low lunge, sliding the right knee backwards as much as needed. And we bring the right hand on top of the left thigh and left above. Or the other way around according to what you've done previous time. And if the left knee goes over that line with the ankle, then slide the foot a little bit forward. Belly in, inhale, and exhale, push your thigh, gaze up or forward. Inhale, exhale, we bend the elbows, we bring the chest close to the thigh, arms reaching forward and up diagonal. We curl the back toes under, lift the back knee up into this diagonal high lunge. Awesome line. Now the right hip a little bit coming down, so lift it up. Just the right one, yes. And both hips together, moving down. Next inhalation, arms over the head for the normal high lunge. Exhale, sinking a little bit deeper. Belly in, Kali Mudra, and switching the interlock of the fingers. Index together. Inhale, exhale, low lunge, right knee down. Belly still in, index fingers pulling us back, gaze up. Inhale, exhale, release the fingers, hands on the mat. All the way back and up to three-legged dog. Left leg goes all the way up to three-legged dog. Inhale, exhale, step the left foot down. Down dog for a moment, noticing if there is a difference so far.